Hey guys, I'm at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Thought I'd show off, some of our rare AEV TJ Brutes. We are missing one currently. This one over here on our right is a Nissan under the hood gray TJ Brute. Basically bone stock, has the 4-liter 6-cylinder. Got the worn winch in the front. Got your Brute decal on the hood. Got your AEV badging. So this one just got out of detail. Very, very clean. This is probably one of my favorite colors. If only we had the moss green Brute here today. It's actually currently at the exhaust shop. And over here, we got the Inca Gold Brute. This one has a few modifications. Lifted, long arm kit. I believe we got worn wheels. And this one is a 4-liter 6-cylinder as well. But we got the 5-speed manual transmission. Kind of give you a view of both of them. Kind of tell the difference between a lifted and non-lifted Brute. That Inca Gold just pops in the sun. Show you the interior on this Inca Gold. I love these like old school seats. Plain and simple. Not a bunch of electronics. Getting up close on the undercarriage. Pretty cool though to say here at Cross Jeep we actually own 3, incredibly rare TJ Brutes. So like I said, this one here on the right is the Nissan under the hood gray. It's actually going to its new home here in a couple days. The Inca Gold Brute is actually still available. It's about to be put out on the lot, get it all detailed up. And then the one that we're missing the most is the fully restored frame off restoration, is the moss green TJ Brute. But other than that, I just wanted to show off some of the unique Jeeps that we got here at Cross Jeep. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out our website, you all, crossjeep.com. You can also give us a call at 502-537-1738. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day.